Step number 6 in the home buying process is the appraisal. So if you are getting a mortgage and the lender is requiring an appraisal, they will order that for you because the lender wants to know that the house is worth what you're paying for it. It could always be worth more, and we are never going to complain about that, but the bank wants to make sure that if you're paying $1 million for a home, that the home is actually worth $1 million. So they are loaning you money based on the appraised value of the home. So if we run into a scenario where it happens to appraise at the million or above, everything is good. If it happens to appraise below the million, and that's the purchase price, we have to go open up negotiations again. So let's just say in this scenario, it comes in at $950,000. So you can say, I don't care that the appraisal came in low, I'm gonna cover the $50,000 difference with cash out of pocket. Or you can say, hey seller, it came in at $950,000, you need to drop your price to $950,000 or we're canceling, and in this case, if you're before the appraisal deadline, you can get your earnest money back. Or we need to negotiate and end up somewhere in between. So you need to know that the bank is only lending you $950,000 that it appraised for, so any amount over that is cash out of pocket, and we've got to reach an agreement with the seller on where we're going to be. And there's no rule here. This is all a negotiation, and at the end of the day, most of the time an agreement is reached. The good news is that you have one of the best teams in the state working for you. That is step number 6 in the home buying process. Stay with me. Step 6.5 is homeowners insurance. This is an important step because you need to make sure the property you're buying can be insured and that you're comfortable with the cost of insurance. So this one is typically a shock to our clients who are on acreage or in a high fire danger area. Things like proximity to the fire department can affect your price, so make sure to check with your insurance agent or one of our recommended agents to get your insurance before the deadline. That is step number 6 and 6.5 in the home buying process.